What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a Geek. So here are the super bass metal headphone. Yes, the super bass. Let me do the unboxing, and I'm going to do the review of it. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So now here is the super bass I65 metallic headphone unboxing. Let me show you from the back. Okay, I already opened the box. So here you can see from the back, it's a 40 millimeter driver with sensitivity of 103 decibel plus 3 decibel, 32 ohm. With frequency response is 20 to 20,000 hertz, 3.5 millimeter, 1.5 meter long. Yeah, also we have a microphone built in, I mean, to have a talk on your phone. So yeah, let me show you from the side. It have a remote play and volume button and a tangle free cable. This is from the side. Okay, bridle cable foldable. Let me open the box. Okay, it's a quite beautiful one. Okay, let me be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, it's quite beautiful, to be honest with you. I mean, it's really very beautiful looking. Nothing special inside. Okay, let me just throw the box aside. Let me close, and then let me throw the box aside. Yes, aside. Okay, let me close this one, and then the box. Here the box go. So here it is the headphone. Yeah, here is the headphone. You need to be the judge how good it is. To my eye, it's quite good, to be honest with you. It's easily foldable. Wow, I mean, it's really very easy to open, to be honest with you. Okay, that's really very good. So now I'm going to connect it. I mean, the build quality is quite good, and jump back to me. So here are the headphone. I'm gonna plug in and then going to tell you how good it sound. Okay, let me just plug in with my phone and tell you the audio quality of it. It's quite good. You need to be the judge how good it look. Yeah, I mean, it look quite good, to be honest with you. Comfortable, easy to carry. I am impressed. You need to be the judge how I look. Subscribe and bye.